YouTube? It's your girl Lexi, and you already know what's going on. Yes, my wig is bogus. No, I do not care. But y'all, check it out. There's a lot going on, so ignore all that. Jared just left, and I'm like, what better would it be to prank this man? Like, y'all, I have been slacking, okay? Slacking. Not prank this boy since the last prank, and I don't even know when the last prank was. So I'm like, let's do something simple but funny. But at the same time, the problem is Jared knows when I bring that camera out, it's prank time, something time. Like, we are gonna go try the Good Burger 2 meal from Arby's, so I could say like, oh, I'm doing a review. Let's do a review for YouTube on that. But the prank that I want to do is, I don't wear makeup, but when I do, I be snatched. But he thinks I really, I'm still practicing, so I want to try like a new look and really wear it all day with him. We finna go get my cousin from school. Like I said, we're going to get a Good Burger. We gotta go pay rent. Like, we're gonna see people. So I'm thinking it's gonna be embarrassing for myself because it is my face, but what yet better would it be embarrassing for him because I'm your girl. Yes, this glue gotta dry. Y'all, this is called a quick glue, so, but that went out on that video. So, with that being said, he is gone right now. So, we finna fix his hair real quick and let's get into the makeup. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so I just finished laying my wig. She's sleeping right now. And if he comes in, because he's probably around the corner, I'm just gonna make this like a, this is gonna be a vlog. I think he's here. Y'all, that man was not here. I'm tweaking. Frozen. Okay. That was scary. Okay, so I'm gonna start holding my camera like this because I'm noticing that I have a double chin. And I haven't hit the gym yet. So we're gonna go ahead and just, you know. All right, so this will just be like a vlog type of thing. If somebody do decide to pop through, a vlog on what we're doing today, as well as we are getting the Good Burgers, but really this is gonna be a prank. So I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. My eyebrows are perfect in my eyes, so really they don't need nothing done, but just to add some ads, we're gonna put some mascara in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this part up. As you can tell, I'm just running my fat choppers, talking about girls who wear thick eyebrows. Eyebrows be looking like boxes on their big foreheads. It's not cute. But, yeah. It's the head shape for me. Let's go ahead and skip this part. Okay, that's good. That's good. I look like my dad. Ew. I mean, not ill, but my dad's a very handsome man, but his eyebrows is eyebrowing very much. Okay, so I think I want to do like maybe some highlight, but like it's a little extra highlight, like real extra on the highlight, you know what I'm saying? At this point, y'all get what's going on. Let's go ahead and get to the prank because this makeup is gonna drag. We're gonna do lipstick, but like this kind, so it looks kind of natural, but like it's too much for Jared. Makeup in general is too much for him. Like he doesn't get, when I wear makeup, it doesn't attract him. He's like, why do you have makeup on? Okay, sorry. Let me stop playing around. On to the prank. Let's get it. The vlog.
Nope, I'm unpresentable.
Oh, okay. Well, it's like a get ready for the day vlog, so you don't have to be presentable. See, guys, that's like a really it's like a really classic pink, not too much. Because I'm not dressy up today. I'm not getting dressied up today. I'm just going out to get, like I said, we're gonna go eat, get my cousin, stuff like that. So I don't really want to do too much when it comes to the makeup. So we have the highlight on, lipstick. Let me see if you guys can see better in the light. So I did my eyebrows, and then I have my highlight and lipstick. What else should I add? I might do like a little bit of bottom lashes. Okay, yeah. I love doing bottom lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and try out and do the bottom ones. Because, let me see. What the heck, babe? Okay, let's do the bottom. It's the fact that people at my job really be having like their lashes looking like that. Like they totally missed the last part. It went for their skin. Okay, guys, so maybe I should make my eyebrows darker because he didn't even, like, I don't know if he's just like trying to be nice because it's like not dramatic, but it's like, girl, what did you do? Maybe I should make it a little bit more darker because he just like, and I'm gonna try not to laugh, you guys, because that's gonna give everything away. So I'm gonna be so serious, but okay, that's it for the makeup look. Let's go ahead and do my hair. I already have the shirt that I'm wearing today. It's my brother's. Shout out to Aiden with the Goku Narco, whatever this dude is. But the hair, I'm just gonna wear it down. Oh yeah, I did just set my edges, my lace, y'all. When I tell you, I could literally slay a wig, but I don't be slaying my wigs. Like, I just put them on like hats and go on about my day. Because who has the time? Like, girls really be styling them, and I don't think I've ever styled my wig unless I went to like homecoming or maybe trying to impress somebody on a date or something. I don't know. I've never really been on a date though, so. I've dated, but I've never been on like a date where you get dressy, fancy, you get flowers, you get a promise ring, all that good stuff. Let me stop talking into the future. But anyway, so here goes the look. It's the fact that I still look good right now. Lace is lacing. Oh, you guys can't see me. I need to put some, should I change my outfit so I kind of look pretty or just keep this shirt on? Hi, I'm Barbie. Yo! Okay, we're gonna change the outfit and then we're gonna get it going when Jared gets out the shower because then we're gonna leave. So, stay tuned. Okay, guys, so here's the final look. I have my pink long sleeve shirt on with some black leggings, obviously. And then I have my hair, it's just kind of waved up, which it looks like a mess still. And then I did a little bit of a simple look on my face, and yeah, I'll probably wear some comfy Uggs or something. I don't know what's my shoes, but Jared just got out of the shower, so we're gonna go to, I need to go to the bank first before we have to pick up my cousin so I can, you know, handle some business there. And then I don't know if we're gonna get food first or get him, but it depends on what time it is because he gets out of school at 2:45 and your girl can't be running late. But either we'll get food before or after, and then pay rent like I said. And yeah, so come along with us on our vlog today. Okay, y'all, I'm in the car. I don't know what Jared's issue is, but that boy got a tootie. He like, I don't know. I'm not gonna assume. Maybe he's fine. He's just being nonchalant, Jared. But he has looked at my face and has not said nothing. So that's what I'm saying. I don't know if he's like just got like a bad mood right now. Before you get to talking, yes, my car is very loud. Vroom vroom. I would not want my girl to go out looking like this. Like, boy, tell me to take this stuff off of my face. Tell me to take this off of my face. Like, what are you doing? You know what I'm saying? But hey, we're gonna see. He's coming. I'll lower the wheel for y'all so you can kind of see me. But we're about to go pick up my cousin Liam, and hopefully my phone stays right there. I don't know what it's gonna do. Well, we gotta go pick up Liam. And it's already 2:10. But yeah. So how's your day going?
I ain't had no day yet. Sorry.
Okay, how's your morning? What are they doing? Do you like my look? You didn't even say anything, and I don't wear makeup for it, and I really did something different today.
I haven't seen it.
You really haven't seen it. You've been talking to me all
I
day.
didn't look at it all day. That don't mean that now.
Do you like it?
I gotta look at the whole face.
This boy.
See what's going on.
It's okay. So I did highlights, eyebrow, and some lipstick, and eyelashes at the bottom. Do you like it?
It's okay.
Okay, rate it.
I'm not really a makeup
Look at that
person.
car at the bottom. Rate it. I know you're not a makeup person, but this is like, I didn't do a full face. It's not like foundation and stuff.
So, alright, so the silver is supposed to be that. Like, you're supposed to see the silver, right?
Yeah, it's like highlight.
I give it a 7.
Do you like the eyebrows?
What are those? Carmen?
Huh?
Carmen's?
Carmen. Bro, what? No, the eyebrows. I kind of like just added a little bit.
More thicker?
Yeah.
And you push them up?
Brushed them up.
Yeah, I'll say the Carmen's.
So do you like them?
They're okay. I really don't. I don't really like makeup.
Interesting. Well, if you ask me, you guys drop down in the comments like, what would you rate this style? I would definitely give it a 9 because I'm not used to like the dark eyebrows, but I definitely will get used to that because that's like, I love this look. I love the look, but I'm not used to the look, so when I get used to it is when I'll love it the most. So, because like, look at Jared's eyebrows compared to mine. Like, mine look like his now.
I feel like the silver should be blended better. Like,
Well, my skin's not silver, so it won't be.
I know, like, just like, I don't know.
Like on my cheeks or on my nose?
Both.
Jared,
What?
be nice.
I'm not trying to sugarcoat nothing for you. Like, I am sugarcoating. Like,
You're sugarcoating.
I'm sugarcoating.
So don't sugarcoat. What's the
Listen,
truth?
It needs to be blended. Like,
Like, and not in such of a line. I tried to
I
like
don't
make it
It's like apparent.
apparent.
It's like, yeah.
Like you could tell it's right there.
Yeah.
Well, because when you do like highlight, you want to get like that glare. Like it's supposed to be like, you know, the glare when you turn your head.
Yeah.
But I think that I need to get like more of it on my cheekbone.
I think less.
Less?
Like less.
Do you like my bottom eyelashes? I always do those.
Yeah, I don't have a problem with your eyelashes and your eyebrows are okay. It's just gray.
What about the lipstick? It's a simple pink.
Yeah, I like the lipstick.
Thanks.
But the silver is just the silver. It's just like,
So I need to probably take the silver off and then I'll look better.
yeah. And like, maybe like just a hint of it. Not, you know, it's just like, it's just there. Like, I feel like it should be blended.
But like, have you ever noticed the highlight when I've done it before?
Maybe. Like last time, you don't wear makeup. So last time, yeah.
Like when I did on the side of my cheek last time for Thanksgiving? You noticed it, but was it too much though?
No, it wasn't like this. It was blended better.
Maybe it's because I don't have foundation on?
I don't know.
You're dropping my confidence. I thought this was cute.
I don't like it.
And now I'm gonna have to edit all this out.
No.
Yes, I am.
Why?
Because I feel uncomfortable. Like, you're my boyfriend. You're supposed to give me a 10. The new look for, like, the eyebrows. I thought those were actually pretty decent. They just need, like, cleaned up a little bit. But then, like, the highlight, I really liked it. Because I usually do gold.
Well, I think gold will match your face better. Like, it'll blend better with your face, probably. And the silver is probably for more white people. Because their face is like silver.
White people's face is not silver. Can you at least tell me for the video that I look good? Like, give me a 10.
But you look good as hell, I ain't gonna lie.
Wait, I'm not ready. Okay, guys, so Jared's gonna rate my makeup. What do you think?
I like it. It looks fire. You know,
What would you rate it?
Broke my scale.
Ow, BFS. Y'all definitely get you a man who tells you the truth. Stop laughing.
Yeah, you look so good.
Hold on, wait. Stop with the.
Ain't that a song?
Bro, if I didn't look good, you should have literally told me that before I came out of the house. Don't you think?
There's a napkin.
A napkin? I don't have a napkin. Oh yeah, I do. So wipe off some of the highlight then and tell me what. So this is my highlight now, guys. Take some of it off to your liking. Don't you think you're wiping it all off?
I'm trying to blend
Oh wow, it's like gone now.
it. No, it's still there.
Now look at this side compared to your side. Okay, do the nose. Why are you putting it between my eyebrows?
Another highlight point.
I didn't know that. It's still like kind of how I had it.
I haven't did it.
Oh, okay. Go ahead, do it.
It's a lot going on.
Is it good now? I feel like I could have done my eyebrows a little bit darker though. Don't you think? Because you can't like really tell the difference. Because like when you first saw me, you didn't even tell the difference.
So there.
And I want to like bring out that difference. So like maybe make my eyebrows thicker and darker. Why didn't you say something then?
Say what?
I told you about complimenting me.
Okay. I'm gonna compliment you when I feel like complimenting you.
So
I didn't like the look, to be honest.
what do you mean you like the look?
I didn't like the silver.
That's it?
Huh?
That's it though.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we're gonna go get Liam.
Yeah, it's almost there, you know?
What is?
I'm almost done with I gotta get the other side now.
Okay, you're gonna fix it when I stop the car. Gotcha. My hair looks really cute. Okay guys, so we're at Liam's school. And Jared wants to fix my makeup, but he did rate me a B his score, so he really does like the look. He kind of fixed it on this side, but I really like this side. Honestly, I feel like this, like, look at that glare.
No.
What is she doing? So if I had like, if we were to like go somewhere that like, you know, like say we go like to the church program and I wouldn't wear makeup and you don't like it, are you gonna tell me and then like try and fix it in front of everybody?
No, I'll tell you before we leave the house.
But you didn't tell me this before we left the house.
Because I didn't want to hurt your feelings.
Aww. So instead you just want to hurt my feelings now?
You asked me.
So if I didn't ask you, you're gonna let me go the whole day with you like, what the heck happened to my girlfriend?
Yes.
Oh, that's so nice. But that's like embarrassing for you, isn't it?
It is what it is.
As long as I'm happy. With my look.
I was gonna hurt your feelings.
Huh?
I was just waiting for you to ask me something. I knew you was gonna expect a compliment though, so it's like.
Cause I changed a look and I kind of felt like confident in look.
I know.
Yeah, this is, I mean, he wiped away a lot of, I can still see like the glare, guys, on my nose, but the cheeks are totally gone.
No, they're not.
And the eyebrows, you say you like the eyebrows? Or I think I need to make my eyebrows like a lot darker.
I think that if you just like, no, you don't need to make your eyebrows a lot darker. They're darker.
Why?
What you mean, why?
Cause you can't tell.
Who can't tell?
You.
If I can.
You can tell they're darker and like more dramatic.
I can tell they're darker. And they're different.
But like I want like other people to tell they're darker. And like wow, like they look really good type of thing.
They don't know who you are.
They can get to know me.
No, they can't.
Like my friends and stuff.
No.
So, and then if they're darker, it'll bring out my hair because my hair is dark.
Your eyebrows are dark. You don't need them any darker.
No, like I'm saying like more full, like eyebrow, like you know how skinny they are right now. Like I want them to be like a little bit more eyebrow at the top here. Like bring the black up here and then the arch. You know what I'm saying?
You could try it.
Like yours.
You could try it, but
Like make them like this thick.
yeah, you could try it, but I don't think so.
We're back on Alexa and Jared here. You already know what it is. Okay, guys, we're at Arby's. And I got the deluxe burger with the shaken curly fries because who eats crinkled out Arby's.
This shit is $17.
And Jared got a bacon burger.
This shit is $17 when I could go to Chili's for like $13. This shit don't make no sense. At Arby's for a burger?
Chili's give you a shake that's $5 itself.
Man, that shit crazy.
He had an option to get something else and he still chose the good burger. We're gonna get our food and then we're gonna rate it and let you guys know if it's worth $17. Mine was $15 because I didn't get bacon on it. He gonna get a burger with no lettuce, no tomato, no onion. She said so basically burger and meat. He gonna say I'm with pickles.
Yeah, I didn't say no pickles, so she better put my pickles on there.
You also didn't say no sauce, but you probably not gonna have that on
She
there.
better have my sauce on there too.
His stuff and you
Alright,
messed up.
She don't know how to fucking work.
Watch your mouth.
If I say no this, no that, I didn't say nothing else. Now I want everything else. Like, this girl be done.
We gonna get the food.
That's why they working at Arby's now. Getting done.
So, this is their strawberry shake, and it's good. I would rate it an 8 because it tastes good. And then you get crinkle fries or curly fries. So obviously we chose curly because who's gonna eat crinkle fries with Arby's? Them fries probably taste like Walmart frozen fries. But
You know, we got 2 different burgers.
here's the burger. It say Nickelodeon on it. Jared got a bacon burger with nothing on it.
So we got bacon, pickles, cheese, and then secret sauce.
Yeah, he's missing everything on his burger. And here's mine. And I got the deluxe, and it has tomato,
Vegetables.
which I can't have on there, onion, lettuce, and some sauce and pickles and stuff. So, is it good? You taste like a Big Mac? Huh?
Don't disrespect Big Mac.
Oh. I'll let you guys know how it tastes since Jared's not very good at the whole describing thing. Ah! Maybe I have to eat it inside. Oh my god. When you slurp while eating a burger, that is so like unprofessionally disgusting. Because what are you slurping? What incarnation are you slurping? I got this stuff all over my head. all over my shirt, on my hand. It's definitely slippery. Okay.
This shit dripping.
Where'd that thing go? It is really good. I wiped my lipstick off on accident. Dang it. It's good, guys. I love a burger that is just like so juicy and drips juice everywhere. Because that's how you know it's just made right. The meat is very thick and the sauce is very secretive.
Where your fries at?
Don't worry about my fries. Where your fries at?
That'll be gone.
Huh? Watching my food the whole time.
Don't make a mess.
You know this is missing?
Shake.
An egg. Y'all, comment below if you like the eggs with, if you've ever had a burger with a sunny side up egg on it,
Dirty.
and the yolk pops on the burger and it just makes it all creamy. So
Dirty.
good. I think you should give it a try. You can't even taste it.
I don't like eggs in the first place.
Yeah, you do. Jared will be like, I don't like eggs. But then he'll try an egg.
What's wrong with trying it?
Multiple times after you continuously say you don't like them. That's what's wrong.
I ate an egg one time with you in a year.
No.
Yes.
I feel like the secret sauce is the ketchup and mayo sauce they be selling in the stores.
Ain't shit secret about it.
This is messy.
Well, it was alright, you know. I don't know about the price, but because you know, you go to Dairy Queen, get a $7 box with a sundae and fries and chicken and order burger, you know, $17 is crazy. But it is what it is. Gotta take care of my kid.
Are you still hungry? Should try savoring. It's a lot better that way.
Can't be me. Welcome to Good Burger. I'm not gonna help you.
Okay, guys. Well, I would, like I said, rate it a 9. I think it was pretty good. It was pretty pricey. Like around $30, I'd say. Anyway, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to this video, to this vlog. Drop down in the comments Team Alexa, because I definitely pranked you again. And the fact that you don't even know what the prank is crazy.
Makeup.
Pranked him again. Say bye.
Bye.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it, don't play with it. Just lay in it. Spend all day in it.